Are you ready to unlock your peak performance? Imagine transforming your performance through three key elements: leadership, attitude, and motivation. First, let's talk about leadership. It sets the tone for any environment. Great leaders inspire teams and encourage collaboration. They create a strong direction, fostering purpose and trust. This leads to improved morale and boosted productivity. Next up is attitude. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in your performance. A positive attitude enhances resilience. When you face challenges with optimism, you can overcome obstacles more easily. It's crucial to view setbacks as opportunities for growth. Finally, we have motivation. This is the driving force behind your desire to achieve goals. Understanding what motivates you enhances focus and determination. Whether it's personal ambitions or team objectives, motivation fuels performance. Picture this scenario: a leader inspires their team. They create a positive workspace, fostering a supportive atmosphere. This positive attitude spreads, encouraging everyone to excel. Motivation kicks in, allowing the team to collaborate and innovate effectively, leading to extraordinary results. In summary, performance stems from leadership, attitude, and motivation. Embracing these three components significantly enhances your capabilities. Now, it's time to take action. Reflect on your leadership style. Consider how you inspire those around you. Explore the impact of your words and actions. Remember, effective leaders listen and show empathy. This connection fosters a valued environment where everyone strives to contribute their best. Next, evaluate your attitude. How do you respond to challenges? Stay positive. A resilient mindset inspires those around you, creating a ripple effect of determination and optimism. Lastly, focus on motivation. What ignites your passion? Identify what drives you to pursue personal growth, achieve team goals, or overcome challenges. Recognizing your motivators provides the energy needed to stay focused. When motivation flows freely, it encourages collaboration and creativity. It elevates the entire team's performance. Visualize a team where leadership, attitude, and motivation intertwine seamlessly. This integration transforms ordinary teams into high-performing units. Embrace these principles and watch them propel you and your team towards remarkable achievements. Your journey begins with a commitment to fostering a culture that prioritizes these key elements. Are you ready to transform your performance today? Start now. Rocket emoji, ready to take your performance to the next level? Let's dive into three game changers: leadership, attitude, and motivation. Glowing star emoji. Right pointing finger emoji, leadership sets the vibe. Great leaders inspire and unite teams, fueling trust and collaboration, leading to unstoppable productivity. Flexed biceps emoji, attitude is everything. A positive mindset helps you bounce back, turning challenges into growth opportunities. Remember, every setback is a chance to shine. Sparkles emoji. Fire emoji, motivation is your engine. Discover what drives you and watch your focus and determination soar. Whether it's personal goals or team success, your motivation is key. Imagine a team where these elements flow together, creating an empowering environment that sparks creativity and outstanding results. Rainbow. Now's your chance to reflect. How can you inspire those around you? Are you facing challenges with positivity? What fuels your passion? It's time to foster a culture that values leadership, attitude, and motivation. Are you ready to transform your performance? Let's do this. Collision emoji. Hashtag leadership, hashtag attitude, hashtag motivation equals performance. LAMP.